morning children. So today I am here to teach you a new chapter, Arithmetic Progression. In short, it is also known as AP. Yes. So to understand what is arithmetic progression, let us see the following list of numbers. Now you can see here I have written 4 list of numbers. The first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, 100, 70, 40, 10. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. 3, 3, 3, 3. Now in these list of numbers, can you see a pattern? minus 3. Then how do you get the difference? The common difference. The common difference you can get by subtracting any number here. Minus 1 minus of minus 2 or minus 2 minus of minus 3. Yes, that is a2 minus a1. Yes, this is the second term and the first term. Minus 2 minus of minus 3 will give you the common difference. That is minus 2 plus 3. That is nothing but 1. So the common difference here is for this particular AP is 1. That is, if I go on adding 1, I will get the succeeding terms of the AP. The first term is minus 3. Yes, in the next one. In the next one, the first term is here. The first term is 3. Yes, the first term you can see is 3. The next one, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. These represents the number of terms in an AP. So to get the common difference, subtract the second term from the first term or third term from the first term, fourth term from the first term. Anyhow you subtract, you will get a constant, fixed number that is known as common difference. So 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is nothing but 0. So 0 is the common difference here for this particular AP. So understood, children? In an AP, the first term is A. Yes, and to get the common difference D, you can subtract A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Anywhere if you subtract, you have a fixed difference, a fixed number known as common difference. Yes. So in general, in an AP, if an AP is given, you can find the first term and you can find the common difference of that particular AP. And similarly, if the first term is given and the common difference is given, you can also write the AP. You can also write the set of numbers which form an AP. Yes. So in general, so what is the standard form of an AP? Yes, if A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on till AN. If this is the general form of an AP, now this particular set of numbers is the general form of an AP. A1, A2, A3, A4 and till AN. If these set of numbers are in AP, then the standard form of an AP will be, and if D is the common difference, and D is common difference, then the general form of an AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Yes, this is the standard form of an AP or general form of an AP. Yes, children? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the standard form or the general form of an plus 3 is 5. A plus 2 into 3. So what is A? A is nothing but 2 here. 2. Here also write 2. So 2 plus 2 into 3 is 6. And 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 is the third term of an AP. Next, to get the next term, A plus 3D. A is 2, 3 as it is, and D is nothing but 3. So 3 3s is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. So this forms an AP. So when first term is given and common difference is given, you are able to write an AP. Yes. So the AP here is 2, 5, 8, 11. You can verify whether it is an AP or no. How to verify? Subtract. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, again 3. 11 minus 8 is again 3. So the difference remains the same. Yes, between each successive terms, the difference, the common difference is fixed always. It is always constant. So therefore, this is an AP. Understood, children? When the first term is given and difference is given, how to write the AP? Using the general form of an AP. That is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. If you want the next term again, it is A plus 4D, A plus 5D, and so on. So using this, you can write the list of numbers which are in AP. Understood? And the common difference. The common difference in an AP can be positive, can be negative, or it can be 0. Yes? You can see here the common difference in this list of numbers was 0. Common difference was 0. In this list of numbers, the common difference was negative. 70 minus 100 minus 30. 40 minus 70 minus 30. So the common difference was negative in this. In this, the common difference was 0. And in the first one and the third one, you can see the common difference is plus 1. 1 if I add here in first one and third list of numbers, I will get the AP. So the common difference in an AP can be negative, it can be positive, or it can be 0. Understood, children? So these are the things you have to remember here. That is how to recognize the list of numbers in AP. Yes? Any pattern. Numbers following any pattern will not be in AP. AP means the numbers where the difference between each successive terms is fixed. When you get the successive terms by adding a fixed number, only then the list of numbers are said to be AP. Understood, children? So here A represents the first term, and the fixed number what you are adding to get the successive term, that is called as common difference, and it is represented by D. Yes, so to get D, subtract A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Like this, you get the difference in an AP. Yes, so when a list of numbers are given, you can find the first term, you can also find the common difference. At the same time, when the first term is given and the common difference is given, you must be able to write the AP, the list of numbers which form an AP. So how to write that? Using the standard form of an AP. That is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. This you have to remember to write the list of numbers which form an AP. Understood, children? Yes. So now we'll discuss the first exercise. Yes, exercise 1.1. Yes, children? So I will discuss the exercise 1.1 so that you can solve it. Now, exercise first main. The first main question is, in which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So they have given certain statements. Using that, you have to find the terms and you have to tell whether they form an AP or not. And you have to also tell why for next kilometer, again 23 plus 8. So you can see each term we are getting by adding a fixed number, that is 8. So if I add 8 to this, I get 31 and so on. So does it form an AP? Yes, it does form an AP because each term we are getting by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Yes children, so it forms an AP. Then second one, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Yes, so now you have to write the terms and tell whether they form an AP or no. Yes children, so volume is always given by, volume is given by V, 3/4V, 3/4 square V and so on. So now you can see here the difference is not the same. Here is 3/4, here is 3/4 square. So when you subtract, the difference will not come the same. So therefore this is not in AP. This is not in AP. Yes children. So in this way you find the terms of third and fourth and find out whether they are in AP or no. Then coming to the second one. The second main question of the exercise is write first 4 terms of an AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So in the second main question they have given you the first term and they have given you the common difference. You have to find the 4 terms of an AP. Yes, now I will show you one example. Third one, A is given as 4, D is given as -3. First term is given, difference is given. You have to write the 4 terms of the AP. So what should be used here? The standard form of an AP should be used. That is A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Yes, these will be the 4 terms of the AP, the standard form of an AP. A is given, D is given. Substitute in this and find the 4 terms of the AP. So A is nothing but 4. Again write 4, substitute here, plus D. D is -3. Yes, just you have to substitute and simplify. Next is again A. A is nothing but 4 plus 2 as it is you have to write. Then D. D is -3. Yes children, just substitution. Then next term A is again 4 plus 3 as it is. D. D is nothing but -3. Yes, now write first term as it is, it remains 4. Simplify. 4 plus into minus is -3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Next 2 into -3. 2 into -3 is -6. And 4 minus 6 will give you -2. Then 3 into -3. 3 into -3 is -9. And 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 will give you -5. Understood children? So these are the 4 terms of an AP. 4, 1, -2 and -5. You can again verify whether it is correct or no what we have written by subtracting. 1 minus 4, -3, -2, -1, -3. Common difference should be same. -5 minus of -2, that is +2 it will become. So 2 minus 5 again -3. Understood? So these are the 4 terms of the AP. Understood children? Let's take one more example. Fourth one, A is given as -1 and D is given as 1/2. Yes, the first term is -1 and the difference minus 1 plus 2 as it is. D is 1 by 2. Next, A is again minus 1 plus 3 as it is. And D is 1 by 2. Yes, just you have to substitute in the standard form of the and simplify. So minus 1 as it is the first term. Second term minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So you have to take the LCM. So nothing is there means 1 here into 2 into 1. So you will get minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Next, 2 into 1 by 2 it is now. Into is there means you can cancel. Yes children? So minus 1 plus 1 remains. Next, minus 1 as it is plus 3 by 2 you will get. So 3 by 2 again you can take, you have to take LCM here. Yes, so I will write it here only. So this is nothing but 3 by 2 if you simplify. So take the LCM, nothing is there means 1. So into 2 and here it is into 1. So minus 1 into 2. Yes, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus here it is 3 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So 3 into 1, 3 and denominator is 2. Simplify now. Minus 1 as it is. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1. It is nothing of numbers they are there. Now you have to find, are they in AP? So how to find are they in AP? Then you have to check common difference. If the common difference is constant between the successive terms, then it forms an AP. Yes? So to find that difference, write A2 minus A1. What you get? Minus 4 minus 0. You get minus 4. Only one finding the difference you will not understand whether it is in AP or not. You have to find for the next one also. Common difference of A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8. Minus as it is. A2 is minus 4. Minus 4. Yes, children? Minus 8 minus of minus plus 4. And 4 minus 8 is nothing but minus 4. So here also you got 4. There also you got 4. You check it for the other one also. A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 12. Minus of A3 is minus 8. Minus 12 minus into minus plus 8. So 8 minus 12 is again minus 4. So you can see everywhere the difference is minus 4. Yes? So it is constant. Common difference is constant. Therefore, it forms an AP. So you have to write difference is constant. Difference is constant. Therefore, 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 forms an AP. Yes, children? It forms an AP. And you have to also write 3 more terms. Yes, how to write the 3 more terms? By adding the fixed difference. Yes, this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Yes, how to get the 5th term? You can add to the 4th term the difference. 4th term is minus 12 plus the difference what we have got? Minus 4. Yes, that is minus 12 plus into minus 4. That is you get minus 16. Yes? Then to this minus 16 again if you add minus 4, you will get the next term. Again to that term if you add minus 4, you will get the next succeeding term. Yes, that is you get A6. A6 you can also write the 5th term plus the difference, or you can also write A plus 5D, the general form of the AP. Even that can be used. So I will use this and show you now. The first term is here 0. Yes, 0 plus 5 into D. D is minus 4. So it is 0. 5 into minus 4 is 5 4s are 20. So it is minus 20. So 0 minus 20 is nothing but 20. So the next term of the AP is minus 20. Again to this minus 20 if I add minus 4, I will get the next term. Minus 20 minus of minus 4, you will get the next term. Understood, children? If it is an AP, you have to find the 3 more terms of the AP. Let's take one more example. That is you get minus 6 minus of minus plus 10, and 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. So again you can see the difference is the same. When you have the difference same, they are said to be AP. So write again the same form. They form an AP and write the next 4 terms. Let's take one more example. 6th one, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. So you have to find it whether it forms an AP or not. Yes? So to find out whether it forms an AP or not, again find the common difference. So find the A2 minus A1. So what is A2? A2 means second term. 0.22 minus A1, that is the first term. Subtract it. Yes, 0.22 minus 0.2. So what you get? 0.02 you get. Now again find A3 minus A2. What is A3? Third term. 0.222 minus A2, that is 0.22. Subtract it. So you got 0.002. Yes, you can see now the difference. Here it is 0.02 and here it is 0.002. So it is not the same. The difference is different. So therefore it does not form an AP. So when the difference is not same, then the given list of numbers does not form an AP. So we have to write therefore 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. Yes, understood children? Why it does not form an AP? Because the difference is not constant. Difference is different. Understood? So like this, in the 4th main, you have to find out whether it forms an AP or no. If it does not form, you have to write this much and finish it. If it forms an AP, you have to write the next 3 terms of that particular AP. So children, I hope you have understood this much. So please do the assignments what will be